For us, it's more than just fixing problems. It's about bringing back the kind of service that people used to trust, where your word matters, your work matters, and a handshake promise still means something. It's also personal because now we're Pops too. So this name is about legacy in both directions, honoring the men who taught us and building something for our own sons to be proud of.
That's really what Proud Pops means. Make Pop proud, make your family proud, and do work you can be proud of.
I'm Brandon Rackley.
And I'm Jacob Magby.
Together, we're the founders of Proud Pops.
Proud Pops is a family-built home service company serving homeowners with HVAC, plumbing, and electrical help done Pops way. We built Proud Pops for families who want real help from real people without the games, the pressure, or the runaround. Our Pops taught us that if your name is on something, you stand behind it. You show up, you work hard, you do it right, and you treat people the way you'd want your family treated.
The biggest thing I learned is that doing the job right is not optional. Not when there are people trusting you with their home, their money, and their family's comfort or safety.
Integrity means you don't say one thing and do another. You don't take shortcuts just because the customer can't see. You do the work like your Pops is going to inspect it after you leave.
We also learned that service is about people first. Yeah, we work on equipment, pipes, wires, and systems, but really we're helping people solve problems in their homes.
And we learned that reputation is built one call at a time. That still drives how we do business today.
It means doing a real diagnostic, not guessing. It means explaining things that we found so the customer can understand, showing pictures when needed, and giving people real options, not ultimatums.
It also means protecting the home, cleaning up after ourselves, and treating the home with respect.
And behind the scenes, doing it right means proper installation, testing, safety, and documentation. The stuff that really matters long after the truck pulls away. Homeowners feel stuck between two extremes right now: high pressure, big corporate, or the chuck in a truck. And that's exactly the gap we built Proud Pops to fill it.
Think big and always act small. We're not big corporate pressure, and we're not some fly-by-night chuck in a truck either.
We believe homeowners deserve the best of both worlds. You should get professionalism, systems, training, warranties, and real support. But they should also get honesty, heart, and a real person they can trust.
With corporate companies, a lot of people feel pushed. With the cheap one-man band, a lot of people feel exposed. Maybe it's cheaper today, but who's standing behind it tomorrow?
We sit in the middle the best way. A real company, real standards, real people, and that's better for customers because they get quality without the circus.
We want the homeowner to feel relief when we show up to their home.
And that's the first word that comes to mind: relief. We want them to feel safe, respected, and confident that they're not going to get sold something they don't need. By the time we pull up to the house, we want the homeowner to feel like they've already made the right call. We refuse to pressure people just to make a sale.
We refuse to use scare tactics.
And we refuse to recommend something just because it pays more.
If a repair is the right answer, we'll say repair. If replacement is the right answer, we'll say replacement. But we're not going to twist the situation just to fit an agenda.
There's plenty of money to be made doing things the wrong way. That's just not how we built this company.
The $0 pop-in visit is exactly what it sounds like. It's a free visit for us to come out, look at what's going on, talk with a homeowner, and help them understand what their next steps are.
People need a trustworthy starting point. They don't want surprises. They just want someone honest to come out and help them make sense of their issue. And the way we keep it honest is simple. We tell people exactly what it is. It's a real visit, it's a real conversation, and a real chance to help.
No bait and switch, no games, just a fair way to start the relationship.
We're a great fit for families who are tired of high pressure or tired of wondering if the cheap fix is going to become an expensive problem later.
If you want a company that respects your home, respects your budget, and still has real standard, that's who we're built for. Still family, still local, always proud.
That's Proud Pops.